Okay, it's Josiah's 11th birthday. He just woke up.
See that?
Let's see what he got for presents.
I'm gonna walk in the kitchen and there's gonna be 20 things.
Let's see. Oh, he got a card.
I see dogs, so I'm assuming that's one card. Happy 11th birthday. Happy birthday, love that. What's that? No doubt about it, you're truly awesome. Hope your birthday is cool. Love, mommy. I don't know. I can't reach.
Okay. Let's see what he got.
A lot of people know that I like ripping things. Huh?
Turn it over. Turn it over. What does that say?
Under sink.
Let me see. Show the picture. Sorry, Josiah, but your present is in another castle.
Wow.
Look under the sink.
Wow. Wow.
What does that say?
Unless you look in the whole closet.
Oh, try the other side.
She's already going to do this Saturday at 6 in the morning.
What is that?
Yeah. You come this far, now finish it. Go check under Daddy's desk. And press for Google. You wrote that. You're the only one who says glory in this house. I can't see, and you're making me do a scavenger hunt at 6 in the morning. Oh my god, this thing is 100 pounds.
I'll put it over here on the table. You want me to pick it up?
Yeah. I don't have a feeling there's an Xbox morning. No. Dang it.
What is it?
Something that's 3,000 pounds. Yes. And that's when I know. I guess an Xbox One controller doesn't get Xbox One. Oh my god. Scissors. Okay, shush! I can't. I don't understand.
Oh, what'd you get?
What I said I would be getting this whole entire thing. There's also something else in here.
What the?
What's this?
Read what it says on the bottom of that.
On this?
No, on that.
This?
That thing. This thing.
One day bonus includes Killer Instinct. Round 1 digital for Xbox playable exclusive Shadow Day. So I get 1 day of Killer Instinct.
No, you get the whole game.
Oh, you got first day edition. Day 1 edition. Well, I will go to the bathroom because I have to go really bad. Ow.